Diabetes Meal Planning for Beginners Part 4. 5 diabetes-friendly pantry staples you should have. Welcome back. Okay, so you have researched, planned, and actually gotten recipes together. Are you wanting to stock your pantry with diabetes-friendly staples? You're in the right place. In this fourth part of the series, we'll highlight 5 essential items you should have in your pantry for successful diabetes meal planning. 1. Whole grains. Choose options like quinoa, brown rice, whole wheat pasta, and oats for high fiber content. 2. Canned beans. Stock up on kidney beans, chickpeas, and black beans, which are rich in fiber and protein. 3. Olive oil. Opt for heart-healthy olive oil as a primary cooking oil for its beneficial monounsaturated fats. 4. Spices and herbs. Enhance flavor without adding excess sodium by using spices like turmeric, cinnamon, and herbs like basil and oregano. 5. Sugar alternatives. Replace refined sugar with natural sweeteners like stevia or monk fruit extract. By having these 5 pantry staples on hand, you'll be well prepared for diabetes-friendly meal planning. Remember, a well-stocked pantry is the foundation of a successful diabetic diet. Happy meal planning! Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and recipes.